Hi guys, we received this wireless headset with microphone for viewing purposes. I think it's nice because it is wireless and connects with a USB dongle, which I think it's really nice. It comes with a user manual and all the functions, all the diagrams, and what comes in the package. Okay, we've got this base, okay, for charging, which I think it's really nice. This is the USB dongle, okay. Some cables for the base, okay. It's a type C, just plug it in and into your outlet, and the proper main generator, okay. You can decide which side use the headset, okay. It doesn't matter, as you can see it turns completely. You can adjust it however you like it, length, where you want the microphone. It's really easy to connect to your laptop. Just plug the dongle in and that's it. And it's nice that when you're not using it, you can just take it off and charge it like this, okay? Setting it out. And it's really nice because you have some buttons in the proper headset, a mute button, a volume down and volume up button, a power on and call button, which I think is nice. If you long press it, you can reject a phone call, but if you press it once, you can pause it, play music, answer the call, or hang up a call that it's going on. And as I've said, the mute your own microphone button, okay? Which I think it's really nice. I like that it has a function to connect to two devices like your cell phone and your laptop simultaneously. With the dongle and without it, it has a Bluetooth function, which I think it's really nice. And overall, I think it's a really nice headset because it's really complete. It's really light, and it has the base, the dongle, the function to connect with two devices. Overall, I think it makes for a great package that will work anytime if you're doing some work projects, if you're gaming, if you're at work. I think it will work perfectly, and I would really recommend it. So you guys.